Mornings can be super busy and chaotic, especially if you're trying to get the kids off to school and yourself ready to go to your job. You may not have time to add a wellness routine in. Let me share with you how I support my emotional and physical wellness very simply as I prepare coffee and feed the dog. Hi, I'm Lyn Johnson, and I help you find new ways to restore and live life in balance using the natural support of energetic frequencies and resonance. Now, how do I support myself? It's pretty simple. I have an app on my phone called the AO Scan. I'm walking through the kitchen to start my morning routine of preparing coffee, getting the dog's food ready, getting myself ready. So this is all kind of layered and stacked in there to this morning routine. But I'm getting my phone and my little headphones. These are bone conducting, so they're very small, very lightweight. I'm opening the app on my phone and I'm leaving a 10-second voice recording that begins with, "I am Lyn Johnson." I can talk about the weather, I can list out my daily plans, anything. Just 10 seconds of my voice is all it takes for this app to begin reading the data points about me and comparing them to thousands of data points so that it can find those areas that are out of balance. And it can offer to me, based on what it saw about me, what I need. So it's looked at my bones, muscles, emotional state, DNA, body chemistry, all those body systems have been scanned and optimized, rescanned for different things, optimized again. It goes through a series. This is not taking long. This is taking 6 or 7 minutes. In the meantime, I'm dumping the dog's food in her bowl. I'm grabbing my supplements. I've made my coffee. I'm waiting for it to fill up so I can put my mug over there for it. I'm just going about these things. It's all doing this while I'm working. And that's how I'm supporting myself. I'm starting my day with this simple little process. It has balanced everything that was out of alignment. It offered my body the natural frequency and sound that it needs. Let's say I've been exposed to a cold. Someone in my circle of friends or family has a cold. I'm hoping that my body is going to be in balance so that it can allow its natural immune system to ward off that cold, because I sure don't want it. And by offering my body its balancing frequencies, I'm subtly helping my body to respond in the way that I want it to those cold germs. I've done nothing but tap and listen to some audio files while I'm feeding the dog and pouring my morning coffee. I simply tap and I'm listening. I'm still doing the things I need to do to get ready. The frequencies are sandwiched in with music, and I can choose different styles, different types of music. They're all instrumental. It's amazing. It all sounds too good to be true. I've got a video that I made that explains how I worked with my dog, who for 14 years was terrified of thunder. Each time the thunderstorm would roll around, I would have to crate her to protect her. When I got this app, I saw that it had a way for fear of thunderstorms to help counteract that. So the first couple of storms that rolled in, I used it with my dog. By the third time, she was able to sleep at my feet. I'll link to that video at the end of this. But that convinced me that I didn't need to know all the science behind it. I saw it work, I knew it worked, and I thought, my goodness, if it can do that for her, how can it help me? How can I utilize this? And so this morning routine that I do is part of how I am subtly and easily supporting myself, my wellness, my health with balancing harmonic frequencies, simply by tapping a few buttons on the phone, putting on these headphones, and listening to music while I feed the dog and make my coffee. It's fabulous. It's amazing. Sometimes we just need to know that there are these options out there. If this intrigues you and you would like to try a scan for yourself, please check the description below. There's a link there where I am offering a free scan so that you can try it. Watch that other video about my dog and how we helped her get over her fear and trauma so that she could sleep through the thunderstorms. It works, it's amazing, it's available, and it's safe. So if this resonates with you, leave me a comment, reach out, or simply ask for your scan. Thanks for watching, and live life in balance.